Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mark Lirias and I'm taking you behind the scenes of how applications actually work in production. Today we are going to talk about how you deploy your applications into your Kubernetes cluster in a production environment. I showed you how you can create a pod and I showed you how you can create a deployment in previous videos. But if you want to deploy that into your Kubernetes environment, it is best practice to use a continuous integration and continuous delivery process. This means that you write your scripts and you allow a tool to integrate that into your current code and deploy that for you. In Kubernetes, you can use a CI tool like the one that comes with your source code management tool. Maybe you're working in GitLab or you're working in GitHub, and you can have your CI tool be GitLab CI or GitHub Actions, or you can have Bitbucket and use Bitbucket pipelines as your CI tool. You could also have a separate CI tool, which would be more Kubernetes native if you want to go in that direction. And some examples of this could be Tekton, Woodpecker, or Drone CI, which is more enterprise. And you can have that as your CI tool, reading events from your source code management tool and integrating that into your code. For deployments, which could be a separate process in most cases, you have a tool, a GitOps tool deploying for you. You can use Argo CD or you can use Flux as your deployment tool. And that's also still having your SCM as your source of truth. It really reads events from your source code management tool, sees the new integrations that have been done, and tries to deploy that new change to your environment. Argo CD or Flux as your GitOps tool consistently and continuously reads from your source of truth, which in this case is your source code management tool, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and looks at what is presently deployed within your environment and tries to synchronize both of them, making sure that what is on your source code management tool is the same thing that is deployed in your environment. So when you make a new change, it deploys that. And that is the basic continuous integration and continuous delivery process that we use in Kubernetes in production. I hope all of that makes sense. I'll see you in the next one.